Hello everyone, welcome to WellCamp. This is Chen. Today I'm going to introduce to you WellCamp's new generation 20 square meter 2-room expandable camp house mega. It can be set up in only 2 minutes, designed for rapid deployment with only manual power needed. It can save 90% of installation time compared to all other market products, no slab needed. 6 houses loading per 40 feet IQ container, save transport costs up to 80%. Featured with galvanized steel frame and 50mm sandwich panel for wall insulation, comes with doors and windows. The house is waterproof and ready to use. With loading rollers, make it easy to load and unload. Design lifespan 15 to 20 years, suitable for immediate emergency response and long-term use. It is swift, efficient and reliable. Economic price by meeting all practical needs. Contact us for more details.